Gandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Gandang umaga po.
Part of our formation program, particularly on the human formation in San Jose Seminary, is to have at least once a month counseling session with a certified counselor in Ateneo de Manila. We were freshmen at that time, and we were quite surprised by this kind of arrangement. Kasi sabi naming magkakaklase, nako, hindi ba magka-counseling ka lang naman kapag may problema ka? Or kung may mabigat kang pinagdadaanan, tayo, okay naman tayo, di ba? Wala naman tayong pinagdadaanang mabigat. But nevertheless, we have to abide with the seminary rules and formation. And that's why we did it as the requirement. After a year, nag-usap-usap po kami ulit. At sabi naming magkakaklase, buti na lang pala, nag-counseling sessions tayo, no? Kasi dati, kala natin, okay na tayo. Pero doon mo marirealize na madami pa din pala tayong kailangang ayusin, i-process, at i-heal sa ating mga sarili. Dear brothers and sisters, when some Pharisees saw Jesus eating with the tax collectors and sinners, they told each other, bakit siya kumakain kasama yung mga makasalanan? Hindi ba niya alam na associating with impure and dirty people like them will also make him unclean? And Jesus responded to them, those who are well do not need a physician, but the sick do. Alam niyo po, ito yung maganda nating pagnilayan ngayong araw, ngayong umaga, that many times we do not know that we are sick as well. We do not know that we are sick as well. That we think everything is perfectly fine, but deep inside, we are all wounded and in need of healing. Kumbaga, lahat ng tao sa paligid mo alam na may pagkukulang ka, na may mali ka, pero tayo mismo, hindi natin alam na tayo din pala yung may problema. And I think Jesus knows this, that all of us needs healing. Wala pong exempted, walang excused, lahat kasalin. And when Jesus dined with Levi and the entire crowd of tax collectors and sinners, He is also telling the Pharisees in a very implicit way, oo, makasalanan sila. But at least, alam nila na makasalanan sila. May pag-asa silang magbago. It's because the very first step in healing is the acknowledgement that we are wounded. Ang hirap po kasi ay kung tayo mismo hindi natin alam na makasalanan tayo. When we become so self-centered and self-righteous people, that's the time we repel God's grace and mercy in us. That's why Jesus said, I did not come to call the righteous, but sinners. And He is like saying, don't worry, I am here to call all of you. Yes, everyone. No exemptions. No excuses. Amen.